Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So, it finally arrived. My last Dooney and Bourke bag of the month. I'm gonna unbox for you guys here on my channel.
Yay!
Yay! For September, my birthday month. And it is a bag I've never seen as a bag of the month before. But this month's bag of the month has been kind of odd. There's only one color. It is in black. Actually, this is a black. It is the Sarento drawstring. But the bag of the month is only being featured in the black color. Although in the website, this bag in other colors and other leathers are featured. But as the bag of the month, I don't know why they've only done it in black. So, let's jump right in. I want to say thank you to everyone who has been sending me birthday wishes. All the gifts I got from my friends. I mean, this has been such a wonderful journey for me, being here with you guys. Oh, wait, that's my alarm.
Oopsie.
He's saying go walk, because I have to go walk. Anyway, so, as I said, this has been such a fun journey for me, doing the bag of the month here. I think we have completed the whole 3 years, going on our almost 4 years, but I'm taking a little break. I will be back around January. I do believe that bag of the months do stop coming up on the website. I want to say at the end of October, so you're not going to miss me much, maybe 1 month, but we'll see. So, no sticker, no surprise. I have no idea why Dooney doesn't send out stickers, but they just don't. So this month, guys, this is such a cutie numbered piece. It is number 15 of 25, and it is called the Sarento drawstring in this beautiful, there's an odor, beautiful black color. Now again, this is normally this type of a look to the bag is called black, because that means the straps, everything, like there's no contrast with the leather to the pieces. They're all the same color, so it's all black, and normally it would be called black, but they have it under as just black. Now, when I bought my bag of the month, I always order it, look at this, on the 12 o'clock at night, midnight when it turns. I got mine under the sale. It was still featured under the sale for Labor Day. So my bag was $65, $64 and some change. But now they changed it up, and it went to the regular September bag of the month, and it's being featured at $99 with the code September if you check out. But I know a lot of my friends here already showed their colors, because this bag was also under, before it was a bag of the month, it was under a sale for Labor Day. I mean, it's been on sale for a while, but as a bag of the month, they upped the price. I don't know why. It would have been great for everyone out there to get it for that $65, but if you did get it for that price, awesome. And when it was featured for that price, there was other colors. I know a lot of my friends got the other colors. If I can find their videos, I'm going to link it in the community page so you guys go see this bag in other colors. But look at how beautiful. It smells so delicious. Gorgeous drawstring. For my drawstring ladies and gentlemen out there, look at that. It's white on the bottom. It has feet. All luscious leather. They call this the Sarento, but it is actually part of their Pebble collection. Drawstring closure, detachable shoulder strap, and it's 12 inches on the shoulder strap. Height, it says 10 by 7 by 10 length. Okay, and it was designed in Norwalk, Connecticut by Peter Dooney himself. So that is amazing. It is a really nice example of the craftsmanship of Dooney and Bourke. I just love it. Love it. So this is a birthday gift to me for September. Isn't it lovely? Look at this. I love this strap, guys. And I love that the strap is the same color as the bag. Normally, you know, these are like that beautiful kind of caramelly color, but no, it is black. And it does have the stitching, the white, like a beige, the stitching on it. I kind of like that. It looks nice with it. You can see the stitching all over the bag. So beautiful. The drawstring part, let's see if it works. For me, the drawstrings, sometimes they stick up like that. It creeps me out, but no, he's behaving. Look at that. Very nice, large opening. Beautiful red on the inside. See if I can open the bag up without a nail flying. So, I don't know, I think this was returned because it's not packaged like a new bag should be, but it seems to be in good shape, so it's okay. I'm going to keep it. Inside red, look at how gorgeous that red is with the black. I mean, so beautiful. And then that's in there. Okay, so inside here it is large and big, and the back here it has a slip pocket and a zipper pocket. In the front here you have the two slip pockets, and it even has the key. So very nice, very useful drawstring for all my drawstring lovers. So it is still available, guys, only in black. Now if you want this in another color, like I said, I saw it featured 3 other colors, but not as a bag of the month. It was under the September sale, but last 2 days it's been gone. I think those colors also sold out, but I do think there are other leathers on there if you want it in another leather that are part of the, there's always some kind of sale going on. I know there's a sale right now that makes it $99, which is a great price to get a Dooney bag for the $100 and less. But I got mine for $65. I'm happy. It's my birthday bag. I hope you enjoyed this last unboxing with me. Thank you to everyone who has been here on this journey with me. It is one of the most highest watched things on my channel. I think everyone here loves to see the bag of the month unboxed, and I will be back in January to continue. I want to say thank you to all my fellow YouTubers here for their support, and thank you to all my subbies who have been here all this time. You can see me on the Instagrams for my 2 Instagrams that are going to be linked on the bottom, guys. It's my garden, my bags in the garden, and then my dailies and stuff, because you know I'm still going to get dressed up, but I won't be here on the YouTube platform till January. If you miss me, come over there and follow me there. And if you're new here, do subscribe. I know it's weird for me to say that, but I will be back. Let me put it on for you guys so you can see how it looks. That is so nice. Look at that. Wow. I like it. What do you think, Robert?
Looks good to me.
Yeah? Look at that. So nice. I'll bring it forward. Again, the Sarento guides for September. Sarento drawstring in this beautiful black bag of the month. Last one for me here on my channel. Thank you so much, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. I have a whole lineup for you guys for the month. So there's going to be a lot of videos already up and ready to go. This is the last video I'm doing, and then after this I won't be here. But I do have a lineup. Make sure you watch and subscribe, and I'll see you guys, I guess, live in January. Mwah. Bye.